Well, the Ohio Supreme Court ruled last week that train companies cannot be prosecuted for blocking railroad crossings for more than 5 minutes. That decision overturned a previous ruling which allowed the state to issue fines for trains stopped and blocking roads for an extended period of time. And with this ruling, people who live near some of those tracks, now they may not be too happy with the outcome.
Chase Bachman joins us live in studio tonight to explain. So, Chase, what does this mean for the state?
Well, Jeff and Mel, Ohio is allowed to regulate some parts of railway traffic, but this is not one of them. We went to Wood County today and talked with people that say slow trains can quickly become a big inconvenience.
It has made me late more times than I can count, and people have a hard time getting to me. Sometimes they're coming to my house and they'll say, "Oh, I'm stuck by a train," and they try to go around. "Oh, they're stuck by a train."
Chrissy Vodness is a Lake Township resident who lives directly next to the CSX rail yard.
And it ends up, there's been times when I'm 10 minutes away and it takes me an hour to get home.
She says allowing trains to take longer at the crossings isn't just an inconvenience, it's a safety issue.
How are the EMS or the police or the firefighters, how are they supposed to get to me when they're 30 seconds away across the tracks, but knowing that those can stay all day long?
And on the other side of the tracks, people deal with similar issues. Marvin Burns previously worked with the township when trains were parked at crossings for days. He says the ruling isn't a shock.
I'm not surprised because that's what I've been told for the last year when I've been working with the township regarding block crossings. They said there's already been past precedents of not being able to sue the railroads or fine them for block crossings.
He says it's gotten better since then, but the pandemic has made it harder on the rail companies, and the federal government needs a way to better regulate the crossings.
They're short on staff, they're running longer trains, more issues, inexperienced crews, all of those things have compounded the number of times that the crossings have been physically blocked. But it's going to have to be addressed at a federal level, not at a state level.
Now, Burns says he's seen trains more and more often break, which is when they separate cars and cross them in sections, and it gives people more chances to cross the tracks without being stopped. Reporting live in studio tonight, Chase Bachman, WTOL 11.